Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I was watching Dima Ume. She's a Nigerian YouTuber and she did this Nigerian tag and I really enjoyed the video. It kind of reminded me of my parents and how African or how Nigerian they are. So I decided, I said to myself that I'm going to do this tag, but then I decided to spice it up to like kind of mix it with a mukbang. So here am I today. So I'm going to be doing the mukbang slash the Nigerian tag. So I actually saw it from Dimome, but I just wanted to add a mukbang to the Nigerian tag. So let's go. So what I'm going to be eating is the Nigerian catfish. Did I say the Nigerian catfish? Is it a Nigerian? Is it just a Nigerian thing? I don't know. But I'm going to be eating the catfish. Yeah, then I have some chips here. I hope you're seeing it. So I'm going to be eating the Nigerian. Why do I keep calling it Nigerian catfish? So I'm going to be eating the catfish. Then I have some French fries here and some what's the name? Some veggies, some salad, and all of that. Cucumber. Then I have my water. And then I have my juice to kind of flush it down. So I opened the app. I got the link from her channel, so I've opened it. So I have a couple of questions right here that I'm going to be answering in Nigeria. All these Nigerian type questions I'm going to be answering. So let's get started. So the first question says, what does this not mean? Have you eaten? Like when a Nigerian parent asks you, have you eaten? What does it not mean? A, it means, are you hungry? B, I love you. C, I am sorry. So the answer to this question, when a Nigerian parent asks you, are you hungry? What does it not mean? It means that they are sorry, because most times when they beat you or they shout at you or they query you for doing something wrong and they kind of want to apologize or feel bad for doing what they did to you, they kind of like, they'll just come to your room and ask you, have you eaten? It's just their way of saying sorry. I don't know, they just can't tell you, I am sorry, please forgive me. They don't say that. If you're waiting for a Nigerian parent to tell you, I'm sorry, okay, you wait till the second coming of Jesus Christ. They're just going to tell you, have you eaten? That's their way of saying sorry. So the number 2 question says, what does this mean? What's up? A, WhatsApp app. B, do you want to test this new shirt? C, how are you? The answer is definitely C. It means what's up. It means how are you? That's how Nigerians ask how are you. They'll just tell you what's up. When they tell you what's up, just know that they said how are you. That's what it means. So number 3 says, I don't have cash on me. So the next question says, what does this mean? I don't have cash on me. So when a Nigerian parent goes to somebody's house, or when somebody comes to your house, like your uncles, your relations, and any other person comes to your house and says, okay, let's assume they are living, and they're like, okay, you as a child, you saw them off, and they don't have money to give you, or they don't want to give you, they'll be like, I don't have cash on me. It's either that they don't have money to give you, or they don't want to give you, then they'll be like, they don't have cash on me. So that's what they said. So number one says, A says, I don't have money to give you. B says, let's get home first. C says, do you want my ATM card instead? The answer is definitely A. I don't want to give you money. The answer is, I don't want to give you money. That's what they say, they don't want to give you money. So the next question says, what does this mean? Put it on my head. That's the question. Put it on my head. My mom is fond of saying this. So when a Nigerian parent tells you, put it on my head, what does it mean? A, leave this place. B, get me my cap. C, figure where to put it. So when a Nigerian parent tells you, put it on my head, okay, let's say if they ask you to bring something, or no, if they ask you to, maybe let's say, okay, this cup is here, and your mom says, come and take this cup, and you're like, mommy, where will I put it? She'll be like, put it on my head. So it means you should figure out where to put it. That's their answer. That's the answer. Like, if they tells you, put it on my head, it means you should figure out where to put it. It does not really, that's what it means. Figure out where to put it. So the next question says, guys, do you know that I've been recording and I didn't know that my phone wasn't recording? Excuse me, sorry. I've ate almost half of this fish and I didn't know my phone wasn't recording. God have mercy. I'm almost done with this fish and I'm so filled up right now, only to find out that my phone wasn't recording. Okay. Pronounce the following words like a Nigerian. OIL is called oil. DAUGHTR is called daughter. YAM, yam. EAR, ear. TEACHER, teacher. Your result is out and you took second position. Respond as a Nigerian parent. The one who took first, does she have two heads? Does she have two heads? When we're in school, we used to take first. So why would you take second? Do they have two heads? That's what they will say. They are always taking first. They never took second. If all of them takes first, who is taking second? So that's what a Nigerian parent will say. You have a visitor. What does your mom tell you to go and buy? Mineral. What's the general term for drinks in Nigeria? Be it soda, Fanta, Pepsi. What's the general term? We call it mineral right here in Nigeria. That's what we call it. What do you call tissue paper in Nigeria? We call it toilet roll. So the next question says, if I hear pim, what does it mean? It means, 1, what did you say? No. 2, you are lying. No. 3, shut up. Yes, that's what it means. It means you should shut up. They don't want to hear you say anything. They don't want to hear you cry anymore. So that's what I mean by if I hear pim, they don't want you to talk. They just want you to just shut up. So that's what it means. So what does this mean? I am strong. So when a Nigerian person tells you I am strong, what does it mean? Let's find out. 1, I've been exercising. Nope. 2, I can do it all by myself alone. No. 3, I am sick. Yes, that's what it means, I am sick. Because they just want to say it in the biblical way, in a godly manner, by saying, I am strong. Because the kind of like thing, what you profess with your mouth is what will happen. What will happen to you? So they kind of say, I am strong. When they say that, they mean they are sick. What does this mean? My friend. So when a Nigerian person tells you my friend, that's how they pronounce it. My friend, not my friend. My friend. It means 1, you are my favorite child. Nope. You are now an adult. No. 3, you are annoying me. Yes, that's what it means. It means you are annoying me. That's what it means. Number, I don't know, but the next one means go and bring me this thing. What does it mean? It means 1, lend me some money. No. 2, where is the dustbin? No. 3, read my mind. Yeah, that's what it means. It means you should read their mind, because that's what it means, read their minds. So the next question says, what does this mean? There is rice at home. 1, make some more stew. No. 2, the rice will soon go bad. No. 3, we are not stopping at any eatery. Yes, that's what it means. It means you shouldn't hope for anything except the food at home. So just zero your mind and go to the house and eat. So don't think of anything. So what does this mean? Let me hold it for you. 1, you can collect it later. Definitely no. 3, it is mine now. 1, you can collect it later. No. 2, I can help you save it. No. 3, it is mine now. Yes, that's what it means. When a Nigerian parent tells you, let me hold it for you, especially the mothers, they are fond of doing this. They'll tell you, let me hold it for you. That money has gone. Don't even dare to ask. If you ask, they'll remind you of all the things they've been buying for you since you were born and ask you to pay. So don't even try to ask them. What does this mean? I'm full. God have mercy. We will soon go home. Let's find out. 1, give me 5 minutes. Nope. 2, start getting ready to go. Nope. 3, we are here for a few more hours. Yes. When a Nigerian parent says you will soon go home, we are here for a few more hours. That's what I mean. The next question says, go and wear your shoe. I will wait for you. Okay. Go and wear your shoe. I'll wait for you. We always fall for this prank, guys. Like, all the time we fall for this prank. They keep doing this over and over, and we keep believing that they will wait. Fear, they don't wait. 1, go and change. You can't go out looking like this. Nope. 2, I am leaving you at home. Yes, that is what it means. I am leaving you at home. 3, hurry up. No, it means they are leaving you at home. So they are trying to get rid of you by telling you to go and wear your shoe. They are coming. So that's what it means. So the last question, but not the least, does she have 2 heads? What does it mean? It means one, does she have a medical condition? No, that's not what it means. Are her parents still together? No, that's not what it means. Three, why did she do better than you? Yeah, that's what it means. It means why did she do better than you? Does she have two heads? Oh my god. Like I'm full, like totally full. I have only the head left. Thank you guys for watching this video. We've come to the end of this Nigerian tax slash mukbang. If you watch up until this time, please comment down below, like this video, subscribe also to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.